Last but not the least. Okay. Ngayon, papahirapan ko lalo yung sarili ko.
Sige, tatalikod ako.
Tatalikod ka. Actually, hindi ka lang
Okay lang,
tatalikod.
okay lang,
Okay?
okay lang.
I'm going to ask questions and I want you to answer only in your head.
Okay.
Okay, so if your answer is yes, answer yes, but only in your head. Now, I want you to keep a poker face. Okay, so don't nod, don't shake your head. Tao ba to? Bagay? Pagkain? Magaling. I'll go with tao. Nakikita ba siya dito? Kilala mo ba to? Are you thinking of a specific name? Kung nandito siya ngayon, ano sasabihin mo sa kanya? Okay, imaginein mo nandito siya naglalakad sa harapan mo. Think of the first letter. Think of the first letter. Think of the second letter. Mahalaga ba tong taon to sa'yo? Pag nakita ba nila to, magbibigay ba ng intriga to? Okay. Now, Sharon, I'm going to trust you with this one. Hindi ko na to titignan. Okay, pero para medyo may thrill ng konti, ipapakita ko muna sa inyo yung sinulat ko. Huwag niyong babasahin na malakas para hindi niyo makita. Okay? Okay. Now, Miss Sharon, loud and clear para marinig agad doon sa likod. Sino yung nasa isip mo?
Gabby!
Thank you very much. Good job, good job.
Okay, thank you very much,
Thank you very much,
Justin.
thank you very much.
Such a pleasure. That was fun. Thank you.
My pleasure, my pleasure.
Wow! Di ko akalain, ha? Di ko akalain. Please have a seat. Ayan, sa pagbabalik po ng aming show, isang close-up magician naman ang magpapakitang gilas sa atin. Huwag po kayong aalis.